My favorite. If you can't beat them, join them.
14. She looks great on exam. All of her lymph nodes are nice and small and soft. Her blood work looks beautiful. So she has plenty of white cells for her treatment today.
Awesome.
So she's going to get her vincristine today at the same dose that she's been tolerating.
Okay.
And then we'll plan to see her back next week for her doctor's.
How about a little later to make sure I got my boss?
Yeah, I could use 11:42.
Or 4, 6?
Yep.
30, that'd be great.
All right.
Hey,
Thank
here,
you.
right here.